Hey, today I'm going to walk you through my craft room makeover, the before, the after, and how it all came together and how I took it apart first. For more fun projects, head over to my channel, Sarah Smiles Arts and Crafts. Okay, so this was like midway through the project, and these are examples of what I was going for. I really liked how neat and clean everything looked. I was so happy with the finished product, but you're probably wondering, like, how do you even start something like this? The first thing you must do when reorganizing an area is to take everything out of that area and separate it into categories. This is my organizing area. Thanks to my son for letting me wreck your room. These are some of the categories that I separated my things into. I literally had stuff everywhere, but that's what you have to do, is pull every single thing out and put it in categories. So I basically switched sides with the desks using my Willy dollies. I even built a box shelf for my acrylic paints. This was fairly easy because I already had the front of the frame and I just needed some boards, paint it, and put it together.